Welcome to Lenino. Today we are going to discuss GK questions of RRB exams, previous year questions. First question, a religion of India Zoroastrian. A religion of India Zoroastrian is mainly found in which state? First option Maharashtra, second option Haryana, third Bihar, fourth Kerala. Answer is option A, Maharashtra. Zoroastrian, that is Parsi religion, has maximum population residing in Maharashtra. Founder of this religion is Saurashtra. It is called a Parsi in India. This religious practice since ancient times in Iran. Jed is associated with the Sendavasa. Jed is associated with the Zoroastrianism. Sendavasa is a sacred book of Zoroastrianism. The Saurashtra was proponent of Zoroastrianism. His teachings were compiled in a book called Sendavasa. Which religion do the Jews follow? Jews follow Judaism. The monotheistic religion of the Jews in Judaism, which believes that the presence of God is experienced by human activities and history, and God transmits this message through prophets. Jewish people consider Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob as their main prophets. Moses Judaism is the religion of the Israelite and Hebrew speakers. Which of the following is related to Judaism? It is Torah. Torah. During the Mauryan reign, which of the following provinces was considered as a gold mine hub in Karnataka? It is, answer is Suvarnagiri. During the Mauryan period, Suvarnagiri was known for gold mine hub in Karnataka. Most Ashokan inscriptions were in the Dash language, while those in the northwest of the subcontinent were in Aramaic and Greek. It is Prakriti. Which Mauryan emperor had these inscriptions engraved on rocks and pillars during this reign from 273 BCE to 232 BCE? It is Ashoka. Ashoka was the greatest ruler of Maurya Empire. Ashoka edicts are 33 inscriptions engraved on the rocks and pillars. Jain Prinsep was the first person who dissipated the Ashokan inscriptions in 1837. The Tirthankara is a Buddhism text. Part of Dash is a collection of verses composed by Bhikkhunis. It is of answer is Sutta Pitaka. Second Buddhist Council was convened in Vaishali by Second Buddhist Council. Second Buddhist Council Vaishali by Kala Ashoka. Kala Ashoka. First was BC 483. First council BC 483. Second is in BC 383. Third is in BC 250. Fourth is in AD 72. This was in Bihar, Rajyagraha. Second is in Vaishali. Third is in Pataliputra. Fourth is in Kashmir. Bihar, Vaishali, Pataliputra, Kashmir. Ajatashatru, ruler of first Buddhist council, Ajatashatru. Second, Kala Ashoka. Third, Ashoka. Fourth, Kanishka. The third Buddhist council was held by option C is the answer, Ashoka. The events of Buddha's life were given in Jataka tales. Anyway, why were stupas built? Because they contained sacred releases. With reference to Sutta Pitaka, which of the following statement are correct? It is related with the conversion between the ruler of Magadha and Buddha. Name the Buddhist text that comprises rules for monks. It is option B, Vinaya Pitaka. What is Vinaya Pitaka? It is a text that comprises rules for monks. The Tripitaka is a collection of primary Pali language texts which form the doctrinal foundation of Theravada Buddhism. The three divisions of the Tripitaka are Vinaya Pitaka is said about the monastic life and the daily affairs of bhikkhunis. Sutta Pitaka is said about discourses distributed to the Buddha and few of his closest disciples. Abhidharma Pitaka is said about text in which underlying doctrinal principles present in the Sutta Pitaka are reworked and reorganized into systematic framework. Vinaya Pitaka and Sutta Pitaka are compilations of Gautama Buddha's teaching. So this is the last question. Thank you.